Flood preparedness and floodplain management are not one-time investments. It can be expensive to properly maintain floodplains and open spaces. And with competition for general funds, there's pressure to downscale the level of service. Our goal is to provide a first-class community in terms of safety and amenities for this and future generations. We want to continue to attract residents who are looking for a high-quality community in which to live, work, raise their families, and retire. As floods are the nation's most costly natural hazard, flood hazard management and creating wide open spaces along our creeks helps meet this goal.